Welcome to the Tire Pros Business Management System, and here are 4 benefits of mobile tire installation vans. Convenience for customers. Mobile tire installation eliminates the need for customers to visit a physical location, saving them time and effort. They can have their tires installed at their home, workplace, or any other location of their choice, making the service highly convenient. Expanded customer reach. By offering mobile tire installation, owners can reach customers who may not have access to transportation or who prefer the convenience of on-site service. This can help attract new customers and increase market penetration. Competitive advantage. In markets where mobile tire installation services are less common, offering this service can differentiate a business from competitors. It can be a unique selling point that attracts customers who value convenience and flexibility. Cost savings. Operating a mobile tire installation service typically requires lower overhead costs compared to maintaining a physical storefront. Owners may save on expenses such as rent, utilities, and property maintenance. Mobile tire installation vans have been driving the market forward. Get more information at tirepros.com.